morning. Lovely day for it. The tent is a bit damp from condensation. It rained a tiny bit last night, but it's breezy now, so I might be packing away a dry tent. I have a host tonight. Yay! So I've got about 80 kilometers if I want to go all the way around the coast and see some more of these absolutely stunning Brittany beaches. Bonjour. Bonjour. Pardon?
Vous êtes chargé?
Étranger, ouais.
Vous êtes chargé?
Ah, chargé, non. Bonne journée. Bloody hell, even cyclists think my bike is electric. Rude. Bonjour, une croissant pâte d'amande s'il vous plaît et un croque-monsieur s'il vous plaît.
C'est pour emporter?
Emporter, ouais, merci. Oh, Sunday. Definitely a day for a warm lunch. This bakery comes recommended by either Regis or Frederic. They both gave me so many good recommendations. And I was so focused on getting here on Sunday morning before it shut that I forgot that Sunday also constitutes people in the church that I'm gonna sit in or outside of to eat my lunch. Bonjour. I'm just sailing here. It's even a little bit uphill, but the wind is from the north and I'm going south, so I'm just sailing along. Some of these climbs have been testing my belt today, not this one. Here at Pointe Saint Mathieu is where I turn around in Brittany and begin heading southeast now, still along the coast towards Bordeaux. Guess who else is here? Bike tourer Emmanuel and I ran into each other for the third time at our warm showers house in Plougonvelon. He just stayed the night, whereas I stayed too, did some laundry, dried the tent and caught up on a bunch of other stuff.